Where's Mr. Marshall?
I don't know. I think he's at the bank.
Okay, thanks.
Where's Mr. Jones?
I don't know. I think he's at the Grand Hotel.
Grand Hotel. Good morning. Can I help you? Mr. Jones? No, he isn't here. He's still at London Airport. Good morning. Miss Brown? Yes, she's here at the Grand Hotel. Room 301. Where's Miss Brown? She's at the Grand Hotel. She's at the Grand Hotel. Mr. and Mrs. White? Yes, they're here. They're at the Grand Hotel. They're at the Grand Hotel.
Is Miss Brown in, please?
I don't know, madam. Just a moment, please. I'm sorry, she isn't in her room.
Thank you.
Look. She isn't in her room. She isn't in her room.
Mr. and Mrs. White, please.
Mr. and Mrs. White are at the hotel, but they aren't in their room. I think...
Are they in the bar?
Ah, yes. Mr. and Mrs. White are in the bar. They aren't in their room. They aren't in their room.
Are they in the bar? Are they in the bar?
Yes, they are.
And where's the bar?
It's over there.
Thank you.
Is Mr. Black in the hotel?
Yes, I think Mr. Black's in his room.
Thank you. Ah, Mr. Black? Oh, he's not there. He's not in his room. Where is he?
I don't know. Oh, yes. He's gone to the cinema.
Oh.
Yes, he's at the cinema.
Where's John? He's not at home. He's not at home. I'm at work. John. He's at work. He's at work.
John.
Marcia.
John.
Marcia. I'm not at work.
John.
Marcia. I'm at the cinema. Marcia.
Oh, John.
Marcia. Where's Mary? She's not at home. She's not at home. Gone to work, Mary. Gone to work? She's gone to the cinema. She's gone to the cinema.
I'm at the cinema. I'm at work. I'm at work.
Brenda, where's Mr. Thomas?
Sorry, I don't know.
Where's Mum?
Oh, she's at the hairdresser's.
Where's Dad?
Is it Uncle Charlie's?
Where's Mr. Wortley?
He's in the canteen.
Thank you.
Yes?
Hello. Is Alice in?
Who are you?
Francis Matthews.
No, Alice isn't here. She's gone to a party.
A party?
She's gone to a party in London.
Well, is John in?
No, I think he's at the cinema.
Well, is Bill in?
No, he's at his girlfriend's.
At his girlfriend's?
Yes, he's at Jane's.
Huh. Where's Kathy?
She's gone to the theatre.
Huh. So, Alice has gone to a party.
Yes.
John's at the cinema.
Well, I think he's at the cinema.
Bill is at his girlfriend.
Yes.
And Kathy's at the theatre?
Yes.
Well, where's Bob? Is he at home?
No, he isn't at home. He's at work. I think. He isn't at home. At home. He's at work. At work.
Where's Bob?
He isn't here. Is he at work or is he at home? Is he in Paris or is he in Rome?
Where's Bob?
Here, there.
He isn't here.
Where's he gone? Where's he gone? I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
He isn't here.
Oh, hello, Dave. Where's Eric?
I think he's at a party.
Mum, where's Dad?
He's at work.
Where's the manager?
I think he's at the factory.
Oh, hello. Where's Mrs. Reese? Well, she's not here. She's gone to the theatre.
Where's Bob? Bob, where are you?
London.
Where in London?
I'm in South Street. South Street.
Where's Mr. Jones?
He's in his office.
In his office?
Yes, he's gone to his office. He's gone to work. He's at work.
Bob, where are you now?
I'm in South Street. Then at Victoria Station.
Yes?
Then at the Tower of London. Then at Buckingham Palace. Then at London Airport.
Then where?
Home.
Bob? Bob!
Mrs. Bailey! Mrs. Bailey!
She's gone to the shops.
Hello? Mrs. Young? It's Peter. Is Susan there?
Sorry, no, she isn't. She's gone to a party.
What's this one, Lucy? Do you really believe that dried-up headmasters get excited by the thought of standing on their head.
No, I don't. Come on, coat on. It's not quite summer yet, is it? It's nice and sunny. Oh, God. How long are they?
Washing line is 48.
Go, Mum, have a party! We're all drunk.
He's determined to
Have a party, have a party.
That was 25. So that's 40 pence.
She's at the Grand Hotel. They're at the Grand Hotel. She isn't in her room. They aren't in their room. Are they in the bar? She's gone to the cinema. He's at work. He's at home.
Where's Francis? Where's Francis?
He isn't here. In the hotel. Sorry, I don't know. I think he's...
At home.